Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
After a year-long lockdown and people queuing up outside liquor stores, Delhi is now one step closer to home delivery of alcohol through orders placed on apps or online web portals. But this isn't the case across the country. So in this episode of KYC or Know Your Constitution, I'll tell you why there isn't a national policy, so to say, on online delivery of alcohol. And I'll also take you through examples on how the online delivery takes place in the other states that do allow for it. Now, as far as the power to make laws is concerned, alcohol finds itself in the state list of the 7th schedule. 7th schedule has 3 lists: the central list, the state list, and the concurrent list. And through these 3 lists, it basically lays down the subjects on which the center can make laws and the subjects on which the states can make laws. Now, as per Article 246, the center has exclusive powers to make laws on the subjects in the union list, that is the first list, and the states have exclusive powers to make laws on the subjects in the second list, that is the state list. Now, as far as liquor is concerned, alcohol is concerned, the production, manufacture, possession, transport, purchase, and sale of intoxicating liquors and the excise duties levied on alcohol are all state subjects. So this is why you also see different drinking ages in different states. For example, you can legally drink alcohol once you're 18 years old in Goa, Himachal Pradesh, and Rajasthan, but you'd have to wait till you're 21 in Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. And you'd have to wait even longer till you turn 25 to drink in, say, Punjab. Similarly, currently 4 states, Bihar, Gujarat, Nagaland, and Mizoram, along with Lakshadweep, have a total ban on alcohol in place. And it is for this same reason that the policies with regard to selling alcohol online vary from state to state. Now, in most Indian states, the state excise departments regulate the manufacture and sale of alcohol. These departments deal with the licensing of alcohol vendors and collection of revenue arising from the sale of alcohol. So where does the online sale of alcohol fit in all of this? Let's take Delhi's example. It has basically made amendments to its Delhi excise rules through the Delhi Excise Amendment Rules 2021. Among other things, it lowered the legal drinking age from 25 to 21 years, and it also allows holders of a specific L13 licenses to deliver alcohol to homes, provided that the order is received through mobile app or web portals. It adds that no delivery can be made to any hostel or office or institution. Now, to be clear, Delhi Excise Rules 2010 always had L13 licenses allowing license holders to carry out home delivery of alcohol, but this was only if the order was received through email or by fax and not by telephone. So as per reports, this impracticality in the rule ensured that there were few, if any, holders of L13 licenses, and so home delivery of liquor never really took off in the capital, unlike in cities like Calcutta or Mumbai. Additionally, earlier L13 was for Indian liquor only, but now the amendment makes it include Indian as well as foreign liquor. But Mumbai and Calcutta are usually cited as good examples of how the mechanism of home delivery of liquor can work. Maharashtra, in fact, started it only last year in May. This was after long queues outside liquor shops raised an alarm, leading to a shutdown of such stores in Mumbai. So the Uddhav Thackeray government invoked a special provision, that is Section 139 of the Maharashtra Prohibition Act 1949, to order the excise commissioner to provide the home delivery option to people. Now, up until then, provisions which disallowed soliciting the use of liquor and banning advertisement or publishing even leaflets relating to it were usually blamed for not being able to sell liquor online in Mumbai or Maharashtra, so to say. The new notification now, as you can see, allows certain license holders to sell Indian-made foreign liquor, beer, mild liquor, and wine to permit holders. Now, the BMC, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, soon stepped in, allowing sealed liquor bottles to be delivered to people's homes in Mumbai metropolitan region and only its non-containment zones through e-commerce platforms like Zomato and Swiggy as well. Now, like I mentioned, people people require a liquor permit to purchase alcohol in Mumbai, you can just go online and get one-day permits or even lifelong permits for purchase, possession, transport, use, etc. of liquor. It's as simple as that. Now, the rules and mechanism for Delhi haven't been put in place yet, so we'll have to see how that goes. According to reports, several big e-commerce platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon, Grofers and Flipkart are all considering delivering liquor home in Delhi. Now, Zomato and Swiggy actually entered the business last year with much pomp and show during the lockdown. Zomato was delivering in Jharkhand, West Bengal and Orissa, but it pulled out earlier this year because of various restraints. Swiggy pulled out of Jharkhand, but it's still running across the other two states currently. Besides this, Amazon and Big Basket had also stepped into the alcohol delivery business in West Bengal last year. It is as of yet unclear whether they will actually be bringing this service to other states as well. This is Apurva Mandhani for The Print. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more such videos.